What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Neuro Profit AI. Today, we are doing something absolutely insane. I'm not just giving away money, I'm giving you the blueprint to make your own money passively right here in Canada. We're about to dive into 10 ideas that actually work in Canada in 2025. Forget what you thought about money while you sleep. What I'm about to show you could change your life. This isn't just a list, it's a challenge. A challenge to break free from 9 to 5. I researched, tested, and verified these methods. Start with a few dollars and build an empire. But first, do one thing right now. Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Don't miss a second. This is your ticket to a new life. Let's not waste another moment. Let's get into it. Stream 1. Real estate crowdfunding. Invest in property projects with others and earn passive income. No huge down payment needed. Forget needing hundreds of thousands to start. In 2025, become a part owner of big projects, from a Toronto condo to a Vancouver complex, with as little as $100. You get rental income and potential appreciation without landlord headaches. Platforms handle the work. Action step. Browse a platform today and shortlist one deal. Stream 2, dividend stocks. Own shares in top Canadian companies and get paid just for holding them. Own a slice of stable giants and get paid quarterly. Hold shares, receive dividends, simple. Reinvest to make every next payout bigger. Bonus, the Canadian dividend tax credit helps your net returns. Start small. Pick reliable dividend growers and hold. Stream 3, high-interest savings accounts. Park your cash and earn more than a regular bank account, risk-free. Skip the 0.01%. Online banks and credit unions compete hard. Park cash and earn meaningfully more, virtually effort-free. Many institutions are CDIC members, coverage up to $100,000. Open, transfer, start earning today, the easiest on this list. Stream 4, REITs. Invest in real estate investment trusts and own a piece of malls, apartments, and warehouses, without buying property yourself. They pay most taxable income as dividends. Diversification across properties, and you can sell anytime. Research portfolios and payout history, buy with a click. Stream 5, print on demand. Turn your creativity into cash by selling custom designs, no inventory, no hassle. You create designs, provider prints, packs, ships after you're paid. Target niches, one design can sell thousands of times. Upload list, orders route automatically, hands off. Action step, open a pod account and publish one design today. 5 streams, property shares, dividends, safe yield, mega landlord dividends, and print money from creativity. Ready for 5 more that scale your money and your time? Let's go. Stream 6, peer-to-peer lending. Become the bank. Lend money directly to Canadians and earn interest, all online. What if you became the bank? Peer-to-peer lending. Lend to Canadian businesses via regulated platforms, earn interest, invest small amounts across many loans to spread risk, get monthly principal plus interest, reinvest to compound. Stream 7, dropshipping. Launch an online store and sell products without ever touching inventory. Build a digital asset that runs on minimal maintenance. Dropshipping. Sell existing products, supplierships. You keep the margin. Stream 8, affiliate marketing. Recommend products online and earn commissions for every sale you help make. Affiliate marketing. Create helpful content, earn commissions on sales. Action step, pick a niche and outline 10 content ideas. Stream 9, digital products. Package your knowledge or creativity into ebooks, courses, or music and sell them worldwide. Package your expertise into ebooks, courses, music, or stock photos. One great course can pay for years as reviews boost visibility. Publish on reputable platforms, automate marketing, collect royalties. Action step, outline 3 modules or chapters tonight. Stream 10, ETFs and index funds. Invest in hundreds of companies at once and let your money grow passively. ETFs, buy one fund, own hundreds, even thousands of securities. Example, broad Canadian market exposure with ultra-low fees. Set automatic monthly buys and let compounding work. It's boring, not sexy, yet unbelievably effective. Turn spare space into income with short-term rentals. Automate entry, cleaning, and messages. Manage from your phone. Tap into Canada's massive tourism demand, even weekends only. Action step, price check comparable listings in your area today. 5 more, lend to businesses, automate stores, monetize expertise, own the market, and rent your space. And there you have it, 10 real, actionable passive income streams for Canada, 2025. Watching won't make you $1. Action will. Choose one idea and take the first step today. This is about buying back your time, building income on your terms. Subscribe to Neuro Profit AI, then comment which idea you'll start. Share this with someone who needs it. You have the blueprint and the motivation. The rest is up to you. Thank you for watching. This is Neuro Profit AI. See you in the next one.